Hey, let me show you how to customize a few settings and preferences to get the best Cisco Webex Teams experience. First, you'll want to make sure you get any messages sent directly to you. Click on your avatar at the top of the screen and click Settings. Go to Notification. By default, you are notified for all messages, but you can change that to Mentions Only if you'd like. Click Save to make any changes. It's a good idea to set your most important spaces to get notified about all messages. To update the notifications for an individual space, go to the information icon at the top of the space and select Notifications. Select the notification setting and click Save. You can also quickly view only the messages you've asked to be notified about. Simply click the search bar and select Notifications. Next, be sure to add a profile picture. Click your avatar at the top of the space and again in your profile to update your picture. Then select an image from your library and click Open. Now everyone can see your smiling face. Give it a try.